God, that's a perfectly good van. Oh my God. What's he doing with it? Fuck. That thing is fucking good yet. This is the new Ford Focus diesel. Oh, come on. Fuck sakes. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. Jesus. There you have it. Almost red line for a good time. Junk. Christ. Tranny job successfully done. Officially successfully done. Ran through all gears. Should have seen the tranny pan. She was fucking crusty. She had some gaskets and fucking chunkadoodles in there. It looked like fucking cereal. But she just wanted to live. I freaking guess. It's got a 355 in it. Old 400 came out of there. Plow winch. Fuck yeah, she's all good to go. This is not mine, it's customers, but I've been working on this for a couple days, getting distracted and this and that. But she's good to go. This thing is so crusty, like, I'm shocked. Like, oh God, all that delete. Fucking back of the chair, just chilling. Like, oh my Lord. Everything is just rigger-nigged and fucking fuck-taxed. And just, scrumptious, my favorite. Fought in hell. If you know, you know. Alright, this is a wrap. Frittin' hell.